Hello students, good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss multiplication of algebraic expression. Okay na? In today's class we are going to discuss about multiplication of algebraic expressions. So in this multiplication of algebraic expressions we are having so many types of problems. As we know, in algebraic expression we may have a monomial, a binomial, a trinomial and a polynomial, isn't it ma? So among that in today's class let me take one or two types of examples. Let me take multiplication of a monomial by another monomial. Okay, let us consider this topic first. Multiplication of a monomial by another monomial. So let me take one example to explain this concept. For example, I have taken 4x. Is it a monomial ma? Exactly, it is one example of a monomial. Another example as 7y. Isn't it ma? Here 4x, 7y. These two are monomials. Now what I am going to do? I am going to multiply these two different monomials. So that is 4x is multiplied with 7y. So what is the final answer we may get? That is our aim to find. So as we know, in this first monomial 4x is nothing but 4 is multiplied with a variable x. So put it in a open bracket. Yes ma. And in the second one 7y, see 4x is written in this box and in between this 4x and 7y we may have this multiplication symbol. I am keeping that as it is, and 7y. So this also can be written as 7, isn't it ma? What I have done? 4x I have written as 4 times of x because this is a term actually. Term is nothing but product of its factors. So what are the factors of 4x? 4 and x are two factors of this monomial 4x. So that I have written like this, and 7y are two factors of this monomial 7y. So that I have written like this. Now in order to simplify this given expression, we need to take coefficients or constant values, two different brackets here na. So let us observe this. See, in this first bracket what I am doing, I am writing all the coefficients or constant values in a single bracket. See, this 4 I have taken as it is here, and this 7 I have written in this box. Why I have written like this? Because this 4 and 7 are the coefficients, numerical constant values of that particular monomial. So that I have written this 4 and 7 in this first bracket, and multiply symbol I am writing as it is. Now write whatever the variables we are having in this given expression, write all the variables in the second bracket. What are the variables with power? Yes ma? Here x, here y. So these two are multiplied together. Now it is very simple to find the final answer of 7. 4 times of 7 is nothing but 28. Okay, this value will become 28. I am writing this multiplication symbol as it is. X times of y, this is multiplication symbol, this is a variable x. So if x is multiplied with y, in that case we may say that xy. Okay, now because product of factors of x and y will become xy as a term. Okay, so this becomes 28xy. So if I multiplied this 28 with xy, we know that this is a product of factors. What are the factors of the term? 28 is one of the factor of that give answer, required answered term, and xy is another term to the required answer. So if I consider these two factors together, so that will be 28xy. Okay na? Simply initially what I have taken 4x. If I multiply 4x with 7y, and the last answer what I have got ma 28xy. This is the way to multiply a monomial with another monomial. Okay, sir, is there any necessary to do all these steps while solving the problem? No need. Okay, it is for your understanding I am saying this, but how to do in a proper way? See, here 4x and 7y are there. Here 4 and 7. Okay, 4 and 7. You should simply multiply these 4 and 7 directly. You should multiply this 4 and 7 directly. So 4 7s are 28. That you should write first here. That you should write first here. Next, what is the remaining factor of this first term? X. And in the second term, y. So these two are multiplied together. So x into y, that can be written as xy. Simple. So 4x into 7y is nothing but 28xy. Okay, now this is the